Let's be honest, you don't need to drop half your paycheck to get your hands on a solid, reliable handgun. Some of the most dependable and downright impressive pistols on the market cost less than a pair of high-end sneakers. Yeah, you heard that right. Today, we're diving into the world of budget firearms that don't act like budget firearms. These are the underdog pistols that punch way above their price tag. Whether you're gearing up for concealed carry, home defense, or just hitting the range with confidence. If you thought quality only comes with a 4-digit price tag, this list is about to flip that idea on its head. Let's jump into 16 of the best handguns under $500 that prove you don't have to spend big to shoot smart. Number 16. Smith & Wesson SD9 2.0. This no-frills handgun packs trusted performance into a modern striker-fired platform. With a 4-inch barrel and overall length of 7.2 inches, it fits that mid-size sweet spot. It weighs 22.7 ounces unloaded and features a capacity of either 10+1 or 16+1, depending on the variant. The polymer frame has great grip texture, and the flat-faced trigger offers consistent action. Steel front and polymer rear sights get you on target, and there's an accessory rail for lights or lasers, backed by a legendary brand. It offers reliability that's hard to beat at this price point. At about $299, it's a strong option from a legacy American brand. Number 15. Hi-Point C9 9mm. When you need a functional handgun without a hefty price tag, the Hi-Point C9 delivers precisely that. This 9mm pistol has a reputation for being tough and reliable, even if it's not the prettiest in the bunch. It weighs about 29 ounces and stretches 6.75 inches from front to back, offering a solid feel in the hand. The 3.5-inch barrel delivers decent accuracy for close-range defense, and its 8-round magazine capacity covers your basic needs. Built with a high-impact polymer frame and a powder-coated slide, it's built to endure wear and tear. It's also Plus P rated, which means it can safely handle higher pressure ammo. Price-wise, this one's a true budget champ. Most retailers list it between $147 and $186. For the price of a dinner out, you can arm yourself with a dependable sidearm. Number 14. Ruger LCP II. This ultra-compact pistol from Ruger is all about discretion and simplicity. Weighing just 10.6 ounces, the LCP II is incredibly lightweight, making it perfect for pocket or ankle carry. It features a 2.75-inch barrel and measures just 5.17 inches overall, so it easily disappears under any layer of clothing. Chambered in 380 ACP, it holds 6+1 rounds and delivers manageable recoil despite its small frame. Its single-action trigger offers a crisp, short pull that aids in fast follow-up shots. The built-in trigger safety, manual safety, and hammer catch offer multiple layers of protection for safe carry. It also comes with fixed sights that are low profile to prevent snagging on the draw. The MSRP for the Ruger LCP II typically ranges from $300 to $350, depending on configuration. Number 13. Smith & Wesson M&P9 Shield Plus. Taking the top spot is the Smith & Wesson M&P9 Shield Plus, a compact carry pistol that offers a blend of performance, comfort, and concealability. Chambered in 9mm, it features a 3.1-inch barrel and comes with either a 10+1 or 13+1 round magazine, giving you flexible options for everyday carry. Weighing just 20.2 ounces, it's one of the lightest in its class, perfect for long hours of concealed carry without fatigue. The standout feature here is the flat-face trigger, designed for a smooth, consistent pull that significantly improves shot accuracy. Its grip texture is enhanced for a secure, confident hold, even in sweaty or stressful situations. Built on a tough polymer frame, the Shield Plus offers durability without the extra weight. You also get standard 3-dot sights, making target acquisition straightforward and reliable. With an MSRP around $450, it's a smart pick for anyone looking for a dependable, comfortable, and modern carry option. Number 12. KelTec P17. The KelTec P17 stands out for its remarkable capacity and ultra-lightweight design. Weighing in at only 14 ounces, it's one of the lightest semi-autos in its class. It chambers 22 LR and boasts a generous 16+1 round capacity, making it excellent for training, plinking, or as a low recoil option for newer shooters. The 3.93-inch threaded barrel adds suppressor compatibility, which is rare at this price point. Its fiber optic front sight and adjustable rear sight provide excellent visibility and accuracy. Despite its polymer construction, the P17 feels sturdy in hand, with a surprisingly ergonomic grip. The ambidextrous safety and paddle-style magazine release cater to both right and left-handed users. With an MSRP around $230, it's an incredible value for such a feature-packed pistol. Number 11. Springfield Armory XDS Mod 2. Designed for deep concealment without compromising shootability, the XDS Mod 2 is a serious contender. Weighing 21.5 ounces, it's substantial enough to manage recoil while still being light for everyday carry. The 3.3-inch barrel balances concealability and accuracy, while its 6.3-inch overall length keeps it compact. Chambered in 9mm, it comes with a 7-round magazine with optional extended mags available for 9 rounds. It features a grip safety that ensures it won't fire unless firmly in your hand, a reassuring detail for CCW users. Fiber optic front and tactical rear sights aid in quick target acquisition in low-light situations. The aggressive grip texture helps maintain control during rapid fire. MSRP usually lands near $400 depending on the variant. Number 10. Taurus G3C. When it comes to value-packed 9mm pistols, the Taurus G3C is a frontrunner. It weighs 22 ounces and has a 3.2-inch barrel, keeping it compact yet capable. It boasts a 12+1 capacity, which is impressive for a pistol this size and price. The G3C includes both a manual and trigger safety, giving you multiple layers of security for everyday carry. Its textured grip offers a secure hold, even when your hands are sweaty or gloved. The sights are steel with an adjustable rear, giving you room to fine-tune your accuracy. It also features a re-strike capability, allowing a second trigger pull on a light strike without racking the slide. With an MSRP around $300, it's hard to beat in this category. Number 9. Bersa Thunder 380. Classic styling meets reliable function in the Bersa Thunder 380. Weighing around 20 ounces, it's a medium-frame pistol that's easy to control and comfortable to carry. The 3.5-inch barrel and 6.6-inch overall length make it a solid option for concealed carry, while still offering good sight radius. Chambered in 380 ACP, it carries 8+1 rounds and features a DA/SA trigger system for versatile shooting. It also includes a manual safety, decocker, and firing pin safety for added peace of mind. The alloy frame and matte finish offer durability without unnecessary bulk. Known for its smooth trigger and low recoil, it's often recommended as a beginner-friendly option. MSRP around $275. It's a budget gem with timeless appeal. Number 8. Smith & Wesson SD9 VE. The SD9 VE delivers reliable performance in a full-sized 9mm platform, all at a wallet-friendly price. It weighs 22.7 ounces and comes with a 4-inch barrel, offering a nice balance between compactness and sight radius. Its overall length is 7.2 inches, giving it a strong presence without being overly bulky. Chambered in 9mm, it features a 16+1 round capacity, making it great for home defense or range sessions. The SD9 VE is known for its consistent self-defense trigger, which provides a smooth and predictable pull. White dot sights ensure quick and clear target acquisition in most lighting conditions. The grip is textured for better control during rapid shooting. It typically retails around $350 or less, offering a full-sized option at an entry-level price. Number 7. Glock 42. If minimalism is your thing, the Glock 42 delivers one of the smallest, lightest .380 options on the market. It weighs just 13.76 ounces and sports a 3.25-inch barrel, making it perfect for ultra-concealed carry. The overall length is just 5.94 inches, so it disappears easily in a pocket or small IWB holster. Chambered in 380 ACP with a 6+1 capacity, it's a great pick for those who prioritize comfort and concealability. Despite its tiny frame, it retains Glock's reputation for rugged dependability and simplicity. It includes Glock's safe action system for consistent trigger pull and safety. The textured grip gives you solid control, and it's surprisingly shootable for its size. MSRP around $400, it's a compact solution that doesn't cut corners. Number 6. Ruger LCP Max. Building on the LCP legacy, the LCP Max steps up the game by offering more capacity without adding bulk. Weighing just 10.6 ounces, It's one of the lightest high-capacity .380 pistols available. It features a 2.8-inch barrel and an overall length of only 5.17 inches, keeping it ultra-concealable. What sets it apart is the 10+1 round capacity, a major improvement over the original LCP. The enhanced grip design makes it feel more secure in the hand, even with such a compact frame. Ruger also added a tritium front sight for better low-light targeting. It retains the LCP's clean lines and snag-free profile, perfect for deep concealment. MSRP is generally around $379, making it a smart upgrade for pocket carry fans. Number 5. Rock Island Armory, 1911. If you're a fan of classic firearms with a rich history, the Rock Island Armory 1911 is a model that delivers on tradition and performance, featuring a full-sized 5-inch barrel and an 8+1 round capacity. This 1911 style pistol is perfect for both the range and self-defense. It weighs in at 39.52 ounces, giving it a solid, hefty feel that helps reduce recoil and improve stability during firing. Built with a steel frame and finished in Parkerized coating, it's made to handle wear and tear while maintaining a rugged vintage look. The single-action trigger is smooth and reliable, offering excellent control for precision shooting. Its no-nonsense design focuses on functionality rather than flash, making it a great option for shooters who value reliability. While the basic sights do the job, many owners choose to upgrade them for even better accuracy. Whether you're a collector or a regular shooter, this 1911 brings classic charm and proven performance at a reasonable price point. Number 4. Canik TP9SF. The Canik TP9SF is a sleeper hit that packs serious performance in a sleek, user-friendly design. Designed for both range fun and self-defense, this striker-fired pistol offers a 4.46-inch barrel that delivers solid accuracy without being too bulky to carry. It weighs a manageable 28.32 ounces, giving it enough heft to absorb recoil while remaining comfortable to shoot. What stands out is the impressive 18+1 round capacity in 9mm, providing more firepower than most pistols in this class. It features a match-grade barrel and a smooth, single-action trigger that rivals far more expensive models. Safety is a strong point too, thanks to a loaded chamber indicator and a striker status indicator, both offering visual and tactile feedback. The ergonomic grip fits naturally in the hand, aiding control and comfort during extended use. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned shooter, the TP9SF delivers performance that easily punches above its weight, MSRP of around $350. Number 3. Glock 19. When it comes to reliability and versatility, the Glock 19 is practically a legend in the firearm world. With its 4.02-inch barrel and a standard 15+1 round capacity, it strikes the ideal balance between concealability and stopping power. Weighing only 23.63 ounces, it's light enough for comfortable everyday carry while still feeling substantial in hand. Its durable polymer frame and simplistic internal design make it one of the most trusted sidearms among law enforcement, military, and civilians alike. The consistent trigger pull and intuitive operation make it a user-friendly choice for anyone from first-timers to seasoned pros. One of its best features is the modular backstrap system, allowing users to adjust the grip to fit different hand sizes for better control. The Glock 19 is also known for being incredibly easy to maintain. Field stripping, it takes just seconds. With MSRP typically ranging from $450 to $590, you're getting a proven workhorse that's always ready when you need it. Number 2. Sig P365. For a true everyday carry powerhouse in a small package, the Sig P365 continues to dominate. Chambered in 9mm, this micro-compact pistol features a 3.1-inch barrel and a standard 10+1 round capacity, with extended magazines boosting that to 12 or even 15 rounds. Despite its small size, it performs like a much larger gun thanks to excellent ergonomics and smart engineering. Weighing only 17.8 ounces, it's extremely light, making it perfect for concealed carry without compromising control. One standout feature is its X-ray 3-day night sights, which give you fast and clear target acquisition in any lighting conditions. The crisp trigger and comfortable grip make follow-up shots fast and accurate, even for newer shooters. Its stainless steel frame and polymer grip module keep it both lightweight and durable for daily use. At an MSRP around $448, The P365 offers a premium feel in a highly concealable form factor that's hard to beat. Number 1. Ruger EC9S. If you're looking for a slim, reliable 9mm that won't hurt your budget, the EC9S hits the mark. It weighs just 17.2 ounces, which makes it easy to carry all day without fatigue. With a 3.12-inch barrel and an overall length of 6 inches, it offers a compact profile ideal for concealment. Chambered in 9mm, the EC9 features a 7+1 round capacity and is designed to deliver solid performance in close-quarters defense. The sights are machined into the slide for durability and snag-free drawing. Manual safety and a magazine disconnect enhance safe handling for everyday carry users. Its black oxide finish resists wear and gives it a no-nonsense tactical look. This dependable pistol usually comes in around the $300 mark. Thanks for sticking around till the end. Whether you're a seasoned shooter or just stepping into the world of concealed carry, these pistols offer something for every budget and experience level. From timeless classics to modern innovations, there's no shortage of solid options under $500. And if you're curious about CZ pistols, I've also created a detailed video on the best CZ models you can buy in 2025. Make sure to check that out as well for some great options if you're looking to expand your collection. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and drop a comment letting us know your favorite budget-friendly pistol. Until next time, stay safe, stay sharp, and we'll see you in the next one.